Fine. Go take them. I went to go get them fixed. But I also need to pee, so. How would you know, Smash? Yeah, that was definitely a little bit forced. Do 24 to 25. That's literally my age, so. Do I have makeup on? Like light makeup? Like a skincare routine because I need to get my shit together because I'm about to turn 25. But my neighbors probably hate me. Okay, so it's dark. Ow. I remember burping that time. I'd be so low. Low to ground. Low to the ground. Fuck. There's a ghost in here. There's a ghost in my apartment. Okay. Guys, no one did the burp counter. What the fuck? I don't even know how many times I burped. Tell us. Please. Don't leave. I'm gonna keep it real and soy sauce. But I don't have dashi, so kind of hard to achieve. If someone gives 50 subs, I will literally damn, that was a big boy. A dove. Girl boss. It's getting better. Go to a lot of money. It's like did like nude art NFTs. That's how I feel about Madonna. Wow, we're getting a little feisty. How is that? Is that better? Let's see how many people leave. No. Like months. So like if I try to be like upfront and hella a moment when I like watched a Little Caesars commercial. This has to do with like my personal stuff where I didn't want to like know if I wanted to share it yet. but nicer too. I've been really burpy. Is this what you guys wanted? I do have her out of town, but fuck you. Fuck you. Like, seriously. How about I just don't get fat? Turn on my computer and drink a lot of alcohol. Do you remember that? If needed. Can you imagine? Try it.
Clean my ass. Sorry. I would gain it in my stomach and my love handles. So like right here gets fat and then I'm like assless.
Like have a seizure or something. It just would not be a thing. Oh my god, that was so bad. Oh my god! Bro, I think I'm sorry. These are my goatee lashes. Woo! Unfortunately, I hope to be able to stream more lately. Why do you keep... Holy shit, that was a loud one. Oh no, my stomach hurts. Corbin! Does everyone have a life? That was so loud. It's the most efficient, the most graceful way. We'll see. Ew.